Get ready for heart-pounding action, intense fight scenes, and epic storylines. Here are the top 10 best action K-dramas you can't miss. 10. The K2. Dive into the heart of political turmoil and pulse-pounding action with The K2. This gripping drama features Ji Chang-wook as Kim Jo-ha, a former Special Forces soldier forced to become a fugitive bodyguard for the reclusive daughter of a powerful political figure, played by Yoon Ah, finds himself ensnared in a web of corruption and betrayal. With a solid 7.8 out of 10 rating, The K2 is celebrated for its breathtaking fight sequences, many performed by Ji Chang-wook himself, showcasing raw and realistic combat. Beyond the action, the series weaves a compelling narrative of romance, emotional depth, and intricate political maneuvering, making it a must-see for fans of high-octane thrillers. Catch The K2 on Amazon Prime. 9. The Whale. Brace yourself for the intense and electrifying spy thriller, The Whale. This series, rated 8 out of 10, is a masterclass in suspense, featuring powerful performances and meticulously crafted action sequences. Nam Dong-min delivers a tour-de-force performance as Ha Ji-hyuk, a top agent from the National Intelligence Service who vanishes during a mission. A year later, he returns with amnesia, only to discover he's been betrayed by his own agency. Driven by a thirst for truth, he embarks on a perilous quest, facing both adversaries and allies. The series' intricate plot twists and turns keep viewer guessing until the very end. If you are a fan of spy thrillers with deep conspiracies and intense action, The Whale is a perfect choice. You can stream it on MBCN Wiki. 8. Rugal. Experience a thrilling fusion of sci-fi and action with Rugal, a dynamic crime thriller adapted from a popular webtoon. Rated 7.9 out of 10, the series delivers a futuristic, tech-infused narrative. Choi Jin-hyuk stars as Kang Ki-bum, an elite detective whose life is shattered by a brutal criminal attack, leaving him blind. Granted a second chance, he undergoes cybernetic enhancements, gaining extraordinary abilities to combat crime as part of a secret organization. The series boasts explosive fight scenes, advanced gadgets, and a compelling revenge plot, offering a fresh perspective on the action genre. For those who crave tech-driven action dramas, Rugal is available on Netflix. 7. Vagabond. If you love high-budget action thrillers packed with intense fight sequences, political intrigue, and stunning cinematography, Vagabond is a must-watch. Starring Lee Seung-gi and Bae Suzy, this gripping drama follows stuntman Cha Dal-gun, whose nephew dies in a mysterious plane crash. Determined to uncover the truth, he joins forces with NIS agent Go Hee-ri, exposing a massive conspiracy involving corrupt politicians and assassins. With explosive action scenes, high-speed chases, and unpredictable twists, Vagabond delivers Hollywood-level thrills. Lee Seung-gi's dynamic performance and Bae Suzy's sharp portrayal add depth to the story. 6. Bad Guys. Bad Guys is a compelling crime drama for those who enjoy seeing villains take on heroic roles. This dark action thriller story centers on Detective O.G. Yoo-tak, by Kim Sang-jung, who employs unconventional tactics to apprehend the city's most notorious criminals. To achieve this, he recruits a team of former criminals, a cold-blooded contract killer, a highly intelligent psychopath, and a legendary gangster. These individuals, typically confined to prison, are offered reduced sentences in exchange for their cooperation. The strength of Bad Guys lies in its exceptional character development. Each team member carries a dark history, and their internal moral conflicts enrich the narrative. Beyond the action, the drama delves into themes of redemption, justice, and the complexities of trust. 5. Bloodhounds. Released in June 2023, Bloodhounds quickly gained popularity for its intense action, compelling characters, and raw storytelling. In Bloodhounds, the bonds of friendship are on full display between Kim Jong-woo and Hong Woo-jin, who use their talents as boxers to help those in need. Money lending is the root of the conflict in the series as the men work to topple a man who uses his power as a loan shark to prey on those without money or resources. The bulk of the action takes place in the guise of boxing. As much as the series basks in action, it's also a crime drama and provides plenty of social commentary. 4. A Shop for Killers. A Shop for Killers dark thriller is set in the mysterious world of contract killings. Features Lee Dong-wook as Young Ji-man, the owner of a mysterious shop that supplies weapons to assassins, while hiding his own dark past. The show delves into the world of contract killings, exploring themes of morality, mystery, and the consequences of past actions. It blends suspenseful storylines with complex characters and dark themes. The drama has been praised for its exciting storyline and also outstanding performances, though some reviews stated that it is too dark and disturbing. Available on Disney Plus and Hulu. 3. My Name. If you love revenge-driven action dramas with a strong female lead, My Name is a drama that will leave you speechless. With brutal fight sequences, intense emotions, and a gripping revenge plot, this drama is one of the most talked about Korean action thrillers in recent years. My Name stars Ha So-hee as a young woman who joins the criminal underworld to avenge her father's murder. She infiltrates the police force under a new identity, navigating a dangerous double life. My Name is celebrated for its intense and realistic action choreography, as well as Ha So-hee's powerful performance. This show is available on Netflix. 2. Gyeongseong Creature. Gyeongseong Creature is set in 1945 during the Japanese occupation of Gyeongseong, and blends historical fiction with supernatural elements. Park Seo-joon and Ha So-hee star in a story that involves battling mythical creatures. The drama is praised for its high production values, visual effects, and unique genre blend. The overall setting of the scene has a rich texture, immersing you in the drama and keeping things thrilling and mysterious. This show is available on Netflix. With an 8.3 out of 10 rating, the show is praised for its stunning visuals, gripping plot, and eerie atmosphere. If you love historical dramas with a dark twist, this one's for you. 1. The Worst of Evil. At the top of our list is The Worst of Evil, an undercover crime thriller starring Ji Chang-wook. The Worst of Evil stars Ji Chang-wook as an undercover cop who infiltrates a powerful drug cartel. The drama is known for its raw and realistic action scenes, intense performances, and suspenseful plot twists. It explores themes of justice, sacrifice, and the moral complexities of undercover work. The whole plot revolves around justice, but The Worst of Evil doesn't even just showcase action. It also highlights the personal sacrifices the characters face while searching for justice, with many twists. This show is available on Disney Plus. Which drama is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more K-drama content. See you next time.